And again, this is, well, you know, look down there if you can see the difference, how much snow compared to, yeah, I mean, I'm walking on, I don't know, what, 3 feet of snow? I don't want to imagine how much weight is actually on this thing right now. How beautiful is this? I gotta walk really slow now. It's really icy and, well, you know. Just stand here for a minute and gaze. Beautiful, beautiful spring day in the UP. Just gorgeous. All right, let's make our journey up here now. It's like a slide coming back down.